Hello, my dear student. Today I have already started the chapter trigonometry. Okay. Today is the second class of trigonometry. So if you are facing problem in trigonometry, then my dear student, just watch these videos. You will fall in love with trigonometry. Okay. Just watch these classes. Okay. So last class we have learned the formula for all the trigonometry. Okay, we have learned the formula for all the trigonometry ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay, what we have learned in last class we have learned that is if this is a triangle, if this is a right angle triangle. Okay, if this is a right angle triangle and this is a b c. Okay, this is a b c, and if I take angle c, okay, then sine of angle c will be what? If this is angle c, then according to this, BC will be base, AB will be perpendicular, this will be perpendicular, BC will be base, and AC will be hypotenuse. No? So sine of angle c will be how much? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Okay, in this way we have learned. Number 2, cos of angle c. Cos of angle c, what we got? Cos of angle c is base by hypotenuse, that is BC, base by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Okay. Number 3 is sin cos tan. Tan of angle c, how much we got? Tan of angle c is perpendicular by base, that is AB by BC. Okay. Now sin cos tan, cosec, sec, cot are the reciprocal of sin cos tan. Yes or no? I have said already that cosec, sec, cot are the reciprocal of sin cos tan. It means cosec will be how much? Cosec of angle c will be 1 by sine of angle c. 1 by sine of angle c. That means what we got? 1 by sine of angle c is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. It is hypotenuse by perpendicular. That is AC by AB. Okay. So cosec of angle C means what? AC hypotenuse by AB perpendicular. Okay. Next, number 5 is sec. Cosec sec of angle C will be how much? Will be 1 by cos of angle C. So what we got? 1 by cos of angle C, 1 by base by hypotenuse. That means hypotenuse by base. That means AC by BC. Okay. Cos of sec of angle C will be what? AC by BC. AC by BC. That means hypotenuse by base. Next, number 6, cot. Sin cos tan, cosec sec, cot. Cot of angle C. Cot of angle C will be 1 by tan of angle C. 1 by tan of angle C. Okay. So 1 by tan of angle C. What we got? Tan of angle C. 1 by perpendicular by base. 1 by perpendicular by base. That is base by perpendicular, that is BC by AB. BC by AB, base by perpendicular, would be your cot of angle C. Okay. So I hope it is clear. Sine of angle C, perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Cos of angle C, base by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. BC by AC. Tan of angle C, perpendicular by base, that is AB by BC. And cosec of angle C, that is reciprocal of sin C. Cosec of angle C will be the reciprocal of sin C, that is 1 by P by H, that is H by P, that is AC by AB. Okay. Sec of angle C, 1 by reciprocal of cos C, cos angle C, that is AC by BC, AC by BC. And cot of angle C will be reciprocal of angle tan C, that is 1 by P by B, that is B by P, that is BC by B. Okay. So if this is clear, next I am going to start your exercise, because in last class I have solved all the example. Okay. So now I am going to start your exercise. Okay. So now we will solve the exercise question. Okay. Now what is given in the question? See, first question, what is given? In triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC. Okay. So this is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, in right angle, in right angle, in right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, that is in triangle ABC, right angle at B. Okay. In triangle ABC, 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 right angle right angle right angle right angle at B AB equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. Then determine very easy question. Determine one question number one, sine of A cos of A, sine of A cos of A, and number two is sine of C cos of C. Now see, if you apply my concept, what I have give you, what I have write here the formula. If you just apply the formula, definitely you can find the answer. Okay. Suppose this is a right angle triangle and right angle at B means B should be 90 degree. Na? This is ABC is a what? Right angle triangle. Okay. This is what? Right angle triangle. If this ABC is right angle triangle, then right angle at B. If right angle at B, okay, that means B will be 90 degree. Up to this much clear? Okay. Now given, write down the given. What is given? Given AB equal to 24 centimeter. Means which one is AB? So this one is AB. AB is given 24 centimeter. Next, what is given? Next are BC. BC is given 7 centimeter. What is BC? This side is BC. BC is given 7 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find sine A angle cos A. Sine A and cos A. So we have to find this angle. Okay. We have to find this angle sine of A cos of A. Now to find this angle, we have to find the third side of this triangle. Na? We have only two sides. So we have to find the third side. So how can we find the third side? From Pythagoras theorem, write it from Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem, what we get? Perpendicular from Pythagoras theorem, we know Pythagoras theorem. If this is angle A, and this will be what? If this is angle A, okay. From Pythagoras theorem, if this is angle A, with respect to this angle A, BC will be perpendicular, na? This will be perpendicular, and AB will be base, and AC will be hypotenuse. Yes or no? If you consider angle A, then with respect to angle A, BC will be your perpendicular. Okay, BC will be your perpendicular, and AB will be your base, and AC will be your hypotenuse. Okay, so from Pythagoras theorem, we know h square, that is hypotenuse square, equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, now we have to find the hypotenuse. So perpendicular square means what? What is perpendicular square? For angle A, BC. Perpendicular means BC square. And what is base square? Base means AB square. Got it? So how much you get? BC how much? BC is given 7 centimeter whole square plus how much it is given? 24 centimeter whole square. So how much you get? 7. So h square equal to 7 means 49 centimeter square plus 24 means 576 centimeter whole square. 7 square of 7 is 749. 7 means 14. 7 square means 49. And 24 square means 576. Okay. If we add it, you will get this will be 625 centimeter square. Now, if you put h, it will be 625 centimeter square. That means how much you get? You will get h will be how much? That will be 625 means how much? 25 centimeter. Yes or no? So 25 whole square. Yes, 25 centimeter whole square. Okay, whole square. So see, square and root over cancel. So you will get the hypotenuse. You will get hypotenuse h equal to 25 centimeter. Is that clear? Okay. Let me check. Is it coming or not? Yes, visible. Okay. So height, hypotenuse, we get 25 centimeter. Are you getting? So again, I will explain. So h square equal to p square plus b square from Pythagoras theorem. So h square equal to p means what? According to angle A, BC is the perpendicular and AB is the base. So BC square plus AB square, it is 7 square. BC is given 7 and AB is given 24. So for 7 square means 49 and 24 means 576. If you add both of this, you will get 625 centimeter square. If you keep h, okay, then it will be root over, because there is h square na. If you keep h, then it will be root over 625 centimeter square. And if you keep h, then it will be 625 means 25 centimeter whole square. That means whole square and root over cancel. You will get h is 25 centimeter. So how much we get h? H we get 25 centimeter. That means AC we get 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. Now we can find. What we can find? Sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Okay. Now we can find all these things. Now we can find it. Okay. Now we can find it. Okay. Now see. I am here dividing the two parts. Number one. What is given? Sin A. Angle of sin A. What is sin A? So sin A. If this is sin angle A, BC will be perpendicular. Formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So BC is the perpendicular and SC is the hypotenuse. That means BC is 7 centimeter, SC is 25 centimeter. So your answer will be 7 by 25. 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Okay. Now next is given cos A. So cos A means base by hypotenuse. So what is base? Base is according to with respect to angle A. AB is the base, cos A, AB is the base, and AC is the hypotenuse. AB is what? 24 centimeter, hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. So you will get 24 by 25. 24 by 25. 24 by 25. Okay, now number 2 question I am solving. Number 2 is given what? Sin C, cos C. Sin C. So what is sin C? Now with respect to angle C. See, if you change the angle, your all these things will be changed. Perpendicular will be changed, base will be changed, hypotenuse will remain same. Okay. So with respect to sin C, see, if this is sin C, if this angle is sin C, then with respect to angle, this will be perpendicular. Now AB is the perpendicular. Okay. Now see, if I take this angle, let me draw again. So for the clarity, for your simplicity, I am drawing the diagram again, so that you will get more clear to understand. Okay, A, B, C. So this will be now for angle C, this will be perpendicular, this will be base, and this will be hypotenuse. Okay, so this is 24, this is 25, and the base is 7. Okay, now see, sin C, sin means what? Sin means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular? Sir, AB. Perpendicular is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So how much you will get? 24 centimeter by 25 centimeter. Centimeter cancel. 24 by 25 is your answer. Okay. Next, understand na? Next, cos C. So what is cos C? With respect to cos C formula is base by hypotenuse. So what is base? If this is cos angle C, then BC is the base and hypotenuse is FC. So how much you get BC? 7 centimeter by 25 centimeter. Centimeter cancel. 7 by 25 is your answer. Okay. So question number 1 is finished. So I hope you understand. Okay, let me explain again. Sin A P by H, BC by AC. Perpendicular is if this angle, BC is the perpendicular, AC is the hypotenuse. That means 7 by 25. Okay. Cos of angle is base by hypotenuse. So AB is the base, AC is the hypotenuse. So 24 by 25, 24 by 25. Now sin of angle C, if this angle is changed, the perpendicular will be also changed. Now AB is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. Okay. If this angle changes, perpendicular also changes, because with respect to this angle, this opposite angle will be perpendicular. 90 degree na? Okay. Okay. So say AB by AC 24 by 25, 24 by 25. Now cos C means base by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, that is 7 centimeter by 25 centimeter. Okay. Is it clear? If this is clear, now I am taking the question number 2. Just stay connected with this class up to the last. Your definitely concept will be 100% clear, and this concept will remain up to the exam if you just once practice it. Okay, just practice it. Now question number 2, what is given in figure 8.13? What is given in figure 8.13? In figure 8.13, what is given? Find 10 P minus what R. See, this is very important question. This question is very important for because this for in this question your concept will be more clear. Okay. Now this is P. Okay, this is P. This is Q. This is R. P, it is given 13 centimeter and it is given 12 centimeter. It is given. Now we have to find it outside. Okay. Now what is given? We have to find 10 P minus quarter. So what is given? Given, see, sides given. P R 13 centimeter and PQ equal to 12 centimeter. So first of all, what we need? We have to find the this side Q1. We have to find the Q1. Okay. First of all, we have to find out the Q1. Okay. So first of all, we have to find out the Q1. So in this right angle triangle, you see from Pythagoras theorem, in this right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equal to b square plus b square. Yes or no? So in this right angle triangle, which is hypotenuse? So P is the hypotenuse, and PQ is the perpendicular, and Q is the base. Okay. Okay, na? Okay. So PR square equal to PQ square plus Q R square. So PQ how much given? So 12 centimeter whole square plus QR is how much QR given? You have to find out the QR. QR square. Okay. And what is PR given? PR 13 centimeter square equal to 12 centimeter square plus Q R square. Now what is 13 centimeter? So 169 centimeter square. 12 means square means 144 centimeter square plus Q R square. Now see 169 minus 144. If you bring this 144 left hand side, you will get this one. And centimeter square, I take common. Okay, centimeter square. Then you will get QR square. Now 169 minus 144 how much? 6945642. 25 centimeter square. You will get QR square. That means what? QR square equal to 25 centimeter square. That means what? QR equal to root over 25 centimeter square. That means QR equal to root over 25 means 5 square. Yes or no? 5 square. Okay, I write 5 centimeter whole square. That means square root over cancel. Now QR equal to 5 centimeter. So we get at hard side this QR equal to 5 centimeter. Is that clear? Okay. See how we find out. Now next main question is I will solve. First of all, to find this question, you have to find it hard side. Na? This side. Okay. So PQ is 12 centimeter given and PR is 13 centimeter given. We have to find the QR. Then we can find all these things 10 P minus quarter. Okay. So from Pythagoras theorem, H is equal to P square plus B square. Hypotenuse is I said PR square is the hypotenuse and PQ square is the perpendicular and QR square is the base. So 12 centimeter square plus QR square. Then PR square is given 13 centimeter square and it will be PQ is 12 centimeter square plus QR square. So 13 square means 169 and 12 square is 144 plus QR square. Now say 169 minus 144 centimeter square equal to QR square. That means QR you will get 5 centimeter. Okay. QR how much you get? You get 5 centimeter. That is QR square equal to 28 centimeter square. QR equal to root over 28 centimeter square and QR equal to 5 centimeter whole square. Root over and square cancel. You will get QR 5 centimeter. Okay, is it clear? If you can able to find this up to this much, now we can find all those things. Write it here. QR we get 5 centimeter. Now I can graph this. Now let us solve. Let us solve. Now solve. Find 10p. 10p. Okay. Okay. Now if this is 10p, if this is 10p, so if this is 10p, 10p means what? Perpendicular by base. Okay. If this is 10p, what will be a perpendicular? So angle opposite to 10p will be a perpendicular. It means QR is the perpendicular and base is what? PQ is the base. Are we getting my point? If I take this angle, then angle opposite to this, that means this angle will be a perpendicular, and this is base and this is hypotenuse. Okay. So 10p means what? Perpendicular by base, that is QR by PQ. So QR how much we get? 5 centimeter and PQ 12 centimeter. That means 5 by 12. Okay. Now cot R. Cot R. So if you take this R angle, if you take this R angle, angle opposite to this will be perpendicular. That means same. Cot R means what? Reciprocal of 10. That means base by reciprocal of 10. If I write reciprocal of 10, 10 P, that is 1 by P by B, that is B by P. Now which will be your base? Okay. So if this is angle R, see nicely carefully. If this angle R, an angle opposite to this will be a perpendicular, and this adjacent to the angle R will be base, and this is your hypotenuse. Okay. So base is here QR and hypotenuse is perpendicular is PQ. So QR by PQ, QR by PQ means 5 by 12 centimeter by centimeter, centimeter cancel, you will get 5 by 12. Now put it, therefore 10 P minus cot R equal to how much we get? 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 equal to 0. I hope it is clear. Okay. Okay na? If any two sides is given, then we have to find the third side with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Then after finding the third side, we apply in this formula. Okay, in this given question. So if you take 10p, then you take this angle with respect to this angle. You have to find the perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse. Okay. If you given cot R, if you check the R, if you check the point, which point is given? Okay. Here P point and here R point. So R point means this angle with respect to this angle, that this will be perpendicular, and this is base and this is hypotenuse. If you can able to find this angle with respect to which angle you have to find, if you can able to recognize with respect to which angle we want to find, then your trigonometry will become very easier, because maximum students get confused in this angle. So angle 10p also given, cot R, which angle should I take? Student do not understand. Okay, so please check it carefully. This one, this two angle. If once this two is clear, then everything will be clear. Okay, now your final answer will be 0. Okay, next I am going to take your number 3 question. Number 3 question. Yes, number 3 question. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. If sin is 3 by 4, calculate cosine 10. Okay. If sin A 3 by 4, calculate cos A and 10. Cosine 10. Okay. If sin is 3 by 4. Okay. If sin is 3 by 4, calculate cosine 10. Suppose I take this triangle. Okay. This one is A, B, C. Okay. Now given sin A equal to 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Sin A with respect to this. Okay. If this is angle A, sin means formula is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay. Formula is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So now this is, if this is sine angle, and with respect to this angle, this will be your perpendicular. So BC and hypotenuse is SC. Okay, so let's this one K say, then your BC equal to 3K and SC equal to 4K. Is that clear? BC 3K, SC 4K. Okay. Now from Pythagoras theorem, these two sides is given. You have to find the third side. Na? From Pythagoras theorem, see here, which will be your hypotenuse? So AC is hypotenuse. H square equal to P square plus B square. So AC square equal to P is what? AB is the P. AB square plus BC is the base square. Now we have to find the AB square. Na? So check it. AB square means AC square minus BC square. Yes or no? If you bring it left hand side, then it will be AC square minus BC square. Okay. So AC square, how much you get? AC is how much? So 4K whole square. BC is 3K whole square. How much? 16K square minus 9K square. That is 7K square. That means AB will be how much? Root over 7K square. That means root 7K. Maybe how much we get? Root 7. Is it correct or wrong? Sin is 3 by 4, calculate cosine tan A. Okay, sin is 3 by 4, calculate cosine tan A. So BC 3 and AC will be 4. Okay, so 16 minus 9 is always 7. Okay, it is correct. Okay, now I am going to find what? This sine of angle sine A, calculate cosine tan A. Now from here you can find cos A. So cos A with respect to angle. Cos means base by hypotenuse. So what is base? AB. What is base? AB, how much we get? Root 7K. What is base? AB. And what is hypotenuse? AC. So root 7K by 4K. K cancel. Your answer is root 7 by 4. Okay. Cos A. Now next is what? Tan A. Tan A means what? Tan A means perpendicular by base. Tan A means perpendicular by base. So what is with respect to angle? Perpendicular is BC and base is AB. So 3K by root 7K. K cancel. So we will get 3 by root 7. Okay. So I hope it is clear. 3 by root 7. Okay. So next, you understand na? So see, sine is given 3 by 4. This angle is given 3 by 4. Calculate the cos and tan to find cos A and tan. So sine is 3 by 4. Sine formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So with respect to angle, this is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. So this will, let's say K. Then K, if I say K, then BC will be 3K, AC will be 4K. This will be your 3K and AC will be 4K. Okay. Now from Pythagoras theorem, if two sides are given, we can find the third side. So this is a right angle triangle. Let's then see. Then AC will be H square equal to P square plus B square. That is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. We have to find the AB square. So AB we need the side. AB square will be AC square minus BC square. That is 4K square minus 3K square. That is 16K square minus 9K square. That is 7K square. That is AB equal to root over 7K. Now cos A means base by hypotenuse. So base by AB by AC, that is root 7K by 4K, that is root 7 by 4. And what? Tan A perpendicular or tan A perpendicular by base, that is BC by AB. So 3 by root 7 by answer. Okay, na? Is it clear? Okay. Now next question number 4. I am going to take question number 4. Okay. Now see, Question number 4, what is given? Question number 4, it is given. Given cot A equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. Given cot A equal to 8 or 15 cot A. Yes, given 15 cot A, 15 cot A equal to 8, then find sin A and sec A. Find sin A and sec A. 15 cot A equal to 8. So how we solve this one? Let's find out. This diagram is given or not? No, I think it's not given in diagram. Okay, now given 15, let's see how to find equal to 15 cot A equal to 8. Now we can find cot A equal to 8 by 15. Okay, now make a triangle here. Make a triangle. Okay, now make a triangle. So it will be what? So this is suppose A, B and C. This angle is A angle, and this is B, and this is C angle. Okay, now cot A with respect to this angle, cot A we are given what? 18 by 8 by 15. Cot means what? Cot A means what? Reciprocal of tan theta. Yes or no? Tan theta is what? Tan is what? Tan formula is perpendicular by base. Then reciprocal of tan means base by perpendicular. So formula will be base by perpendicular. So with respect to A, what is your base? AB is the base, and this is perpendicular. This is the perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. AB is the base, this is the perpendicular, this is the hypotenuse. So base is AB, and perpendicular is what? BC. Can say we will say what? Okay. Then AB will be 8K and BC will be 15K. Is it clear? Okay. Then AB will be 8K. Okay. AB will be 8K and BC will be your 15K. Okay. Then what we can find? We can find the sin A and sec A. Okay. Now we can find the third side. So AB is how much given? 8K. AB is 8. Okay. AB is given 8K, and BC is given 15K. Now if you find the third side, this AC you have to find. So from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse, that is h AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Yes, AC is the hypotenuse, AB is the base, and BC is the perpendicular. So AB is how much given? 8K square, and BC is 15K square. Okay, okay na? Yes. What means 1 by 10? Base by perpendicular. Okay. Now 8 is 64K square, and 15 is how much? 15 is I think 225 na? 25, 75, 15, 5 to 225. 225K square. So 549, 628, 289K square. I think this is root over 17 na? 17, 49, 4, 11, 7, 1, 9 and 2. That is yes, 17. Okay. Now AC will be how much you will get? AC how much you will get? AC will be root over 289K square. That's how we can write this one. 210K square. I can write like this one. I can write 17K whole square. Square root cancel. Then AC we will get 17K. AC we will get 17K. AC we will get 17K. Okay, this much clear? Clear na? From Pythagoras theorem, AC square See AB and BC, we have AB and BC. Now we need third side AC. That this we can find from Pythagoras theorem. That is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, 8k square plus 15k square, 64k square plus 225k square. That will be 289k square. If you take AC or if you keep AC, then you will get 17k. Root over of 289 is 17, and k square will be k. That is 17k. Okay. Now we can find what? We can find sin A. Sin A, simple. Sin A perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular in this sin A? BC is the perpendicular and SC is the hypotenuse. So 15k by 17k. That means sine of angle A is 15 by 17. Okay, clear. Next is sec A. Sine cos 10. Sine cos 10. Cosec sec cot. Sine cos 10. Cosec sec cot. Sine cos 10. Sine cos 10. Cosec sec means 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A. Okay. So 1 by cos A formula is perpendicular by base by hypotenuse. Cos A formula is base by hypotenuse. So it will be hypotenuse by base. Okay. Cos formula is what? Base by hypotenuse. Yes or no? So sec A will be the hypotenuse by base. That is hypotenuse is what? So hypotenuse is AC and base is AB. You will get the answer 17k by 8k. K cancel. That is 17 by 8. You will get the answer for second. Okay, I think it's clear. Sin A will get 15 by 17 and sec A you will get 17 by 18. Okay. So next, I am going to find the next question. There is question number 5. Next question. There is question number 5. Okay, now see question number 5. Given sec theta equal to given sec theta equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. All other trigonometric ratios. Okay, it's given what? Sec theta is given. You have to find the all other trigonometric ratios. Okay, suppose to find this, you consider one triangle. Okay, consider one triangle. Okay. Suppose this angle is theta. Okay, I say this angle A B C. Okay, suppose angle B is theta. Okay, suppose angle B is theta, then opposite to angle A, this will be perpendicular 90 degree. Okay, now sec theta is given. So sec theta equal to 13 by 12. Sec means what? First of all, write down. Sec means sine cos 10 cosec sec cot. Sine cos 10 cosec sec cot. Sec means reciprocal of cos theta. Yes. So reciprocal of cos theta means cos formula we know, sine cos 10. Cos means base by hypotenuse. So it will be hypotenuse by base. So with respect to theta, okay, this perpendicular. What is the hypotenuse here? AB is the hypotenuse and BC is the base. Yes or no? Yes. AB is the hypotenuse, and BC is the base. Okay. Now this let's say if you say K, then AB will be 13K and BC will be 12K. AB is 13K, BC is 12K. Okay. Now we have to find the SC. Okay. Now from Pythagoras theorem we know. From Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. I think you all know, no? So AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. What we need? We need AC square. SC we need. AC square equal to AB square minus BC square. So SC square. What is AB? AB is 13k square minus BC is 12k square. So what is the 13 whole square? 169 k square minus 144 k square. 169 minus 144, that is 25 k square. If you keep SC, it will be root over 25 k square, that is root over 5k whole square. Square root cancel. SC will get, that is 5k. SC will get 5k. After this one is clear. If it is clear, then I am going to find all other trigonometric ratios. Okay. So AB given and BC given. Okay. Sec theta 13 by 12. Sec means 1 by cos theta. Reciprocal of cos theta. So cos theta formula base by hypotenuse. Okay. So 1 by b by h. That means if you keep up, if you put numerator, then if you simplify this one, you will get h by b. Hypotenuse by base, that is AB is the hypotenuse, and BC is the base. So let's discuss that AB equal to 13k, AB equal to 13k, and BC equal to 12k. Now we find SC equal to 5k from 5k question. Okay, now clear? Then clear. Now I am going to find all other trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now let's find one by one. Okay, it's very easy. Now first of all I will start sin theta. Sine of theta formula is simple, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now use it. If this is sin theta, perpendicular will be SC. SC will be perpendicular. If this is sin theta, perpendicular will be SC. Okay. If this is sin theta, perpendicular will be SC. If this is sin theta, perpendicular will be SC. Hypotenuse will be AB. So SC how much? 5k. Hypotenuse 13. K cancel. 5 by 13 will be your sin theta. Now sin cos theta. Cos is base by hypotenuse. So cos theta base means BC by hypotenuse is AB. So BC 12k, hypotenuse is 13. K cancel. You will get 12 by 13. Sin cos tan theta. So tan theta means perpendicular by base. So what is perpendicular? AC is the perpendicular, and BC is the base, So AC how much we get? AC we get 5k, and BC we get base is 12k. So k cancelled, you will get 5 by 12. Is that clear? Okay. Tan theta perpendicular by base, that is AC by BC. Okay. Now sin cos tan cosec sec cot. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. You can write direct reciprocal of sin theta. So how much you get sin theta? 5 by 13. That is 1 by 5 by 13. That is 13 by 5. Okay. Okay na? Cosec. Now sin cos tan cosec sec theta reciprocal of 1 by cos theta. So how much you get cos theta? Sec theta is given. Now let's check it will come. It is coming or not. 1 by 12 by 13. See, 13 by 2 it is coming. Now sin cos and cosec sec cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of 1 by tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta we get 1 by 5 by 12. 5 by 12. That is 12 by 5. So these are the your trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now I am again explaining. See, so it is given two sides 13 and 12k. I have found the third side from Pythagoras theorem. Then I apply the formula sin theta means p by h. So this is theta. Then AC is the perpendicular and AB is the hypotenuse. So AC by AB, that is 5k by 13k. That is 5 by 13. Now cos theta base by hypotenuse simple BC by AB. So see 12k by 13k, 12 by 13. Tan theta perpendicular by base with respect to theta. This is perpendicular, this is base. 5k by 12k, say 5 by 12. Cosec theta, that is 1 by sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta, that is 1 by 5 by 13, that is 7 by 13 by 5. Then sec theta, reciprocal of cos theta, 1 by 12 by 5, you get 12 by 1 by 12 by 13, so 13 by 12. And cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, that is 1 by 5 by 12, that is 12 by 5. Okay. So I hope you have understand the class. And if you have any doubt, then ask in the comment section. Definitely I will respond your question, your doubts. And please ask me which topic you need for the upcoming classes for the class 10 course, that is general mathematics. Okay, so definitely I will take this chapter for your simplicity. I will solve I will make simple all the maths, all the questions. Okay, so be connected with physics classes by Dibyajyoti Sarkar for the upcoming lectures. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos.